Welcome back to A Taste of K. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to make homemade chocolate chip cookies. The ingredients I'll be using is half a cup of unsalted butter that has been melted, 1/3 cup sugar, half a cup light brown sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, half a teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon salt, 1½ cup all-purpose flour, 1½ cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. In a large mixing bowl, add the melted butter, sugar, as well as light brown sugar, and mix until everything is smooth. Add the egg as well as vanilla extract and continue to mix. Add the baking soda as well as salt and mix, and then slowly start to add the flour while mixing. While everything thus far has been mixed completely, go ahead and add the chocolate chips and mix. I couldn't locate my small ice cream scoop, so what I'm using is the 1 tablespoon measuring spoon to scoop out 2 tablespoons of the cookie dough. After scooping out 2 tablespoons of the cookie dough, I'll roll it into a ball and place it on a baking sheet that has been lined with parchment paper. Since the cookie dough is at room temperature, I'll let it chill in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours before baking. I preheated the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. On a baking sheet that has been lined with parchment paper, I'll go ahead and place the cookie dough that has been chilled. This recipe normally makes 24 cookies, but because of how I was measuring out the cookie dough using the tablespoon measuring spoon, some were bigger than the other. But nonetheless, I'm going to bake a few of the cookies. The remainder I'll roll up in parchment paper and place in a Ziploc bag and place in the freezer. I baked the cookies in an oven that was preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. Then I allowed to cool for about 10 minutes. Now there you have it, a quick and easy way to make homemade chocolate chip cookies. The edge of the cookie is somewhat crispy. The middle of the cookie is nice, soft, and chewy. Thank you for watching A Taste of K. I'll see you in the next video.